Several areas in Italy, January 12, 2025.
...40 centimetri di neve fresca. Continua a nevicare, quindi l'accumulo nevoso continuerà.
On Sunday, January 12th, a snowstorm hit Rionero and Vulture, a municipality in the province of Potenza, creating inconvenience, but also a suggestive spectacle for residents and visitors. Since the early hours of the morning, snow began to fall heavily, accompanied by strong winds that contributed to making the weather conditions particularly difficult. A white blanket covers the buildings and streets of Potenza, where it has been snowing heavily for hours. In the area of the Lucanian capital, the San Nicola station recorded accumulations of up to 45 centimeters at 2 p.m. on Sunday. Heavy snowfall is expected that could bring significant accumulations of snow, with peaks of up to 50 centimeters, especially in the mountain areas and in the highest areas of Basilicata. The snowfall will begin gradually in the evening and will intensify tomorrow and Monday, bringing with it very low temperatures. The president announces that the province of Potenza has activated the snow plan to guarantee safety and transitability along the extensive road network under the jurisdiction of the authority. Liga Pro has ordered the postponement of the Potenza-Benevento match, valid for the 22nd match day of Serie C now, and initially scheduled for today with kickoff set for 19:30, due to the unplayability of the pitch at the Alfredo Viviani Stadium, caused by the heavy snowfall still underway. At the same time, the league has ordered the recovery of the match for Tuesday, January 21st, 2025 at 1500 hours. Meanwhile, in other areas, bad weather has brought Campania to its knees, after heavy snowfall since last night in the inland part of the southern province of Salerno, and in particular, in the Vallo di Diano, in the Alburni, and in the Tanagro Valley. Among others, the municipalities of Caggiano and Montesano sulla Marcellana have been blanketed in white, where to limit the inconvenience, snowplows and salt spreaders are in action. The mayor of Montesano said to pay attention and to leave the house only and exclusively for reasons of particular urgency. It is very likely that due to ice from the snow, as a precaution, the schools of Tardiano and Capoluogo will be closed for tomorrow. In several municipalities, schools will remain closed. The small municipality of Caggiano, in the Vallo di Diano, has been completely covered in snow, and the municipality advises not to travel unless absolutely necessary. Furthermore, despite the work of Enel technicians, there are still dozens of homes without electricity in the area. We are working in coordination with the Prefecture of Salerno and the Enel Emergency Room to resolve the problem, the municipal body assures. Many people, especially the little ones, took advantage of the snowfall to have fun with sleds. In Santa Maria di Castellabate, the wind knocked down a tree that then ended up on the statue of the monument in honor of the fallen. Also due to the wind, in the Gulf of Policastro, and more precisely in Villamere, the scaffolding of a building collapsed and ended up on a passing car. Strong gusts of wind are lashing the city of Salerno. Broken branches and fallen trees in various areas of the province of Salerno are causing inconvenience. The Civil Protection of Eboli reports the closure of the Provincial Road 317 due to the flooding of the Calor River, while the Civil Protection of Bucino invites people to pay attention on the Provincial Road 10B in the direction of San Gregorio Magno due to a landslide. In several municipalities, due to the strong wind, cemeteries and parks are closed. Rail traffic is slowed between Sapri, Salerno, and Maratea due to damage caused by bad weather, and is being regulated by using other tracks. Technicians are working on site to allow regular service to resume. Even high-speed and intercity trains could be slowed down. In the meantime, it continues to snow throughout the province of Potenza and in the Matera Hills. In the regional capital, the white blanket has exceeded 15 centimeters. Snowplows have been in service since the early hours of the morning.
Eccolo lì che sta passando, guardate. Ovviamente c'è bisogno di catene da saper montare all'occorrenza e gomme da neve.
Slowdowns on the Potenza-Sisignano motorway junction, on the Potenza-Melfi State Road, and on the Agri Valley floor in the section between Pergola and Brinza. The situation is also under control on the Lacanian section of the A2 Salerno-Reggio Calabria. ANA's staff is at work with salt spreaders and snowploughs. The traffic police recommend traveling only if strictly necessary, and in any case, equipped with winter tires or chains. The last stretch of the Agri River is under observation due to the Ganano Dam which, after having reached its maximum height, is discharging 50 cubic meters of water per second.